Alright, wanted to kind of follow up with you guys on that tank and fender that I was experimenting with. So, of course the dog wants to run her pie hole. Hey! Stop! Oop, there go my legs again. I'll try to get out of the shadows here. Alright, so there you can kind of try to walk around her here, try to get the flash a little bit. Get it out in the sunlight, since my camera wasn't really picking up much of anything in the house. And holy Moses, it is cold out here. The other day I had all 4 windows down, the sunroof open. I'm out here painting, enjoying myself, having fun outdoors. And not today. Snowing yesterday, and today I'm freezing. But again, like I said, I just kind of wanted to get a touch base with you guys, let you see it after the clear coat, polish, and all that stuff. Get my shadow off there. Go over to the fender here. Look at her glitter. I really hope I've got that in frame. My display won't stay on. Yeah, she got a little bit of sparkle to her. This camera is supposed to be full 1080p, so we'll see. I haven't used it in a while. I know when I took this up to, when I used this camera for Night Under Fire, like 2 years in a row, camera quality was good, but the audio was awful. But, I mean, I was also trying to record like Top Fuel dragsters, and they ain't quiet. So I'm sure they kind of overwhelmed the mic on those old videos. But that's the end result. And of course, I tripped and gouged it because I'm a total, complete klutz. You know, but that's part of being disabled. It happens. That, and it didn't help that after polishing, that thing is slicker than snot on a doorknob. I mean, you couldn't grip that thing for nothing. So when I stumbled, lost my grip on it, and down she went. So, tell me what you think. Got any input? Let me know. Say something, say hello, subscribe, like, all that garbage. But, there they are. So, like I say, just wanted to do a quick follow-up. You know, let you guys see it out in the sunlight where you can get full light on them. Hopefully with a better camera this time. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again real soon.